Okay, so here we have a coordinate sentence. Coordinate sentence. So far we've had sentences that were simple sentences above on this page. Now in simple sentence we mean one clause. Right? So here we have a sentence which is actually composed of two clauses, joined in the middle by what we call a coordinating conjunction, one of the fanboys conjunctions. Right? It happens to be so. So there's a kind of symmetry with this. The sentence itself begins up at the top node here and branches into two sub-sentences, S and S. All right? There's the CC in the middle which joins them. Okay, so then it's just a matter of mapping out each of these sides. This side, we were talking quietly. Okay, that's its own independent sentence. And by the way, a clause, sentences are called clauses when they're joined up within a sentence. All right, so if this were outside a sentence, it would be called a sentence. Here we're calling it a clause, as we are this. The kids could sleep. Okay, we. Here we have the S dividing the noun phrase and the verb phrase. The verb phrase consists of an auxiliary, aux, okay, and the verb itself, talking, and then an adverb, quietly. We mentioned that adverbs can float. They can move into different positions within a sentence, out of flexibility. The aux, again, in this case, it's from the verb be, all right? And this together with the verb composes the present progressive tense, all right? Over here on the other side, we have the kids could sleep. Okay, so the kids is our noun phrase. We'll load the S node up here somewhere. Out of room, come down into a noun phrase and a verb phrase. Notice that these we're trying to keep more or less on the same level for visual organization and clarity. Noun phrase, the kids, okay, that's acting as a subject. Here we have verb phrase, could sleep. Now here we have an aux. Note that this is a different kind of aux. This is a modal auxiliary, and then we hit the verb phrase here. So the auxes, we have two different auxes here showing the two different kinds of auxes that we can have. The first is either be or have, be in this case, form of be, and then this is one of the 9 modal auxiliaries here.